Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how we write the rate of change of some quantity is equal to some multiple of itself. Okay, this is the rate of change, like basic rate of change equation, that is dy over dt is equal to ky. Now here you can see this is a separable differential equation, so we can separate and integrate. So let's go ahead and first separate this one. So first, since we have dy in the numerator right here, we can bring this y term to this side. So this is going to be 1 over y dy, and in the other side we are going to have k dt. Now after we separate, we integrate both sides, integrate this side and integrate this side. If you integrate this one with respect to y, this is going to be ln of y, and if you integrate this one with respect to t, this is going to be kt, and also we are going to have a constant right here. Okay, then to get rid of this ln, we have to take e power both sides. So e power this side, e power this side. E and ln cancels each other, so this is going to be y is equal to e power kt times e power constant. Okay, so this is the derivation, final derivation right here. Now let's see another one. Let's see how we can find out the principal amount. Principal amount and starting for, like, we can call this in two different way: principal amount or starting population. So we are going to derive an equation using this equation. This equation is y is equal to e power c e power kt. Now let's see how we can express this one in terms of principal amount. So let's call principal amount p. So first, if it's a starting amount, it means time is going to be 0. Time is 0, and y is equal to p. Y is the principal amount. Principal at time is equal to 0. Okay, now if I replace y with p, this is going to be p is equal to e power constant and e power k. Instead of t, we put 0 because this is starting population or principal amount, initial. So 0. P is equal to e power c, and k times e power 0 is going to be just 1. So we multiply this one by 1. Therefore p is equal to e power c. If p is equal to e power c, then what we can do is we can replace this e power c with p. So this is going to become y is equal to p e power kt, and that's the equation when we have like in terms of principal amount. Now if the k is greater than 0, we call this one growth, and if the k is less than 0, we call this one decay. And that's all about it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to learn differential equation, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.